In today's fast-paced world, convenience and efficiency are key in the kitchen. Whether you're whipping up a quick smoothie, blending a hearty soup, or creating a creamy sauce, the right tools make all the difference. This Amazon Basics 500-watt multi-speed immersion hand blender is one such tool that promises to elevate your culinary experience. In this detailed review, we'll explore why this immersion blender is a must-have for any kitchen, highlighting its features, performance, and why it's worth considering for your next kitchen upgrade. Imagine being able to blend, mix, and puree your favorite ingredients with just the push of a button. No more bulky blenders taking up counter space, no more complicated cleanups. Pure, effortless blending. The Amazon Basics 500-watt multi-speed immersion hand blender brings professional-grade performance into the comfort of your home. Keep reading to discover how this powerful yet compact tool can revolutionize your cooking. The Amazon Basics immersion hand blender is designed with the modern kitchen in mind. Its sleek silver finish and ergonomic design make it both aesthetically pleasing and comfortable to use. The silicone non-slip grip ensures that you have full control during operation, reducing the risk of accidents and spills. This is particularly important when working with hot liquids, as the secure grip minimizes the chance of splattering and makes the blending process safer. One of the standout features of this immersion blender is its elongated, detachable blending stick. This design allows you to use the blender in a variety of containers, from tall pitchers to deep pots, making it incredibly versatile. Whether you're blending a smoothie in a mason jar or pureeing soup directly in the pot, this immersion blender adapts to your needs. The durable stainless steel hardware not only enhances the blender's longevity, also ensures it can handle a wide range of tasks, from crushing ice to blending thick soups. The overall build quality is robust, giving you the confidence that this kitchen tool will withstand regular use. When it comes to performance, the Amazon Basics immersion hand blender doesn't disappoint. With 500 watts of blending power, this device is more than capable of handling a variety of tasks, from making silky smooth purees, crushing ice for your favorite drinks. The multiple speed settings allow you to customize your blending experience, ensuring that you achieve the perfect consistency every time. The blender's motor is powerful enough to handle even the toughest ingredients, yet it operates quietly, making it suitable for use at any time of day. Whether you're preparing breakfast before the rest of the household wakes up or whipping up a late-night snack, you can do so without disturbing others. One of the key benefits of this immersion blender is its ability to blend hot and cold liquids with ease. The elongated blending stick ensures that you can reach the bottom of deep pots, making it ideal for blending soups directly on the stove. This feature not only saves time, but also reduces the number of dishes you need to clean, as you can blend and serve from the same container. The Amazon Basics immersion hand blender is designed to be user-friendly, even for those who are new to cooking. The multiple speed settings are easily adjustable, allowing you to fine-tune the blending process to suit your recipe. The lock-unlock button provides an added layer of safety, preventing accidental operation and giving you peace of mind during use. One of the most appreciated features is the detachable blending stick, which makes cleaning a breeze. Simply detach the stick from the motor unit and rinse it under warm water, or place it in the dishwasher for easy cleanup. The compact design also means that the blender can be neatly stored in a drawer or cabinet, taking up minimal space in your kitchen. The silicone non-slip grip and lightweight design make this blender comfortable to use for extended periods, which is particularly useful when preparing large batches of food. The ergonomic design ensures that even with prolonged use, your hand won't feel fatigued, allowing you to focus on creating delicious meals. Cleaning kitchen appliances can often be a chore, but the Amazon Basics immersion hand blender makes the process as simple as possible. The detachable blending stick is dishwasher-safe, which means you can spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your culinary creations. The motor unit can be easily wiped down with a damp cloth, ensuring that your blender stays in pristine condition. The compact design not only makes storage convenient, but also reduces the amount of surface area that needs to be cleaned. Unlike traditional blenders with multiple parts and large containers, this immersion blender offers a streamlined solution, fits seamlessly into your daily routine. Safety is a top priority in any kitchen, and the Amazon Basics Immersion Hand Blender is equipped with several features to ensure a safe blending experience. The lock-unlock button prevents accidental operation, a crucial feature when dealing with powerful kitchen appliances. The silicone non-slip grip provides additional stability during use, reducing the risk of accident. The durable stainless steel blending stick is designed to handle hot and cold liquids safely, and the elongated design keeps your hands at a safe distance from the heat. These features combine to make the Amazon Basics Immersion Hand Blender a reliable and safe choice for your kitchen. Final verdict: the ultimate kitchen helper. The Amazon Basics 500-watt multi-speed immersion hand blender is a versatile and powerful tool that deserves a spot in any kitchen. Whether you're an experienced home chef or just starting, this blender offers the perfect balance of performance, convenience, and safety. Compact design makes it ideal for small kitchens, while its powerful motor and multiple speed settings ensure that you can tackle a wide range of culinary tasks with ease. From blending soups and sauces to creating smoothies and purees, this immersion blender delivers consistent results every time. The easy-to-clean design and thoughtful safety features further enhance its appeal, making it a practical and reliable addition to your kitchen arsenal. If you're looking for a kitchen tool that combines power, precision, and convenience, the Amazon Basics Immersion Hand Blender is an excellent choice. Its user-friendly features and durable construction make it a valuable investment for anyone who loves to cook. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.